We're gonna ride on the train. The bee following us.
But this little piggy went wee, 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 wee. Hurry, Axel, we need to catch the train.
Go.
Hey guys, we're at Trinity Park in Fort Worth, Texas, and Axel wants to ride the train, so that's what we're trying to catch it.
Run, Axel, run!
Do you see some dogs, River?
What do you see? Hey.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Yes.
You know Uncle Chase.
Uncle who?
Since the train's chasing me, Uncle chasing me.
Axel is on this kick of like anything that like rhymes or like words that have synonymous meanings.
He thinks it's a joke. Compound words. He's like, no, but it's like this and this, and I'm like, yeah, that's intentional. That's the point.
He's like, this is the best thing.
It's two words put together.
It's amazing.
It's super cool though because he's just becoming extremely fascinated by all things language. Wait for me! Passing him up.
Cons are everywhere.
He got distracted. Wait, what?
Look how many.
Oh my gosh.
Millions.
Look guys, we're definitely in Texas. There are pecans everywhere. Are they all empty?
Nope.
You're getting some that still have nuts?
I'm getting a lot.
Nice. Do you think we should try to catch the train though? Or are the pecans much more important?
Which one do you think?
Well, I think pecans provide nourishment to us, so that seems like that may be slightly more important. Unless we need to get transported to somewhere that has more pecans by the train. Let's go, come on. They're boarding the train, Axel. Better hurry.
Which way? This way?
Yeah, look, right in front of you. Gonna pass you up. We barely made it. This close.
I was like, me and River are gonna have to leave without you guys. On board! Here we go, you guys. We're gonna ride on the train.
Get on, get on, get on.
There's another train right there.
Up, coming in. Wave.
That's the level piece I have. That on the front.
Oh yeah?
Wave. Axel's like, but I don't know them.
They don't know me.
You never know, they could.
Probably not.
That's sweet, great. That's time.
Right, I know.
Going across the bridge.
And we're here. Is that fun, bro? Again? Well, we're gonna have to do it again because we gotta get back. But let's get off and stretch our legs. So it's that fun
liquid
moment.
gold.
Yeah, don't want to forget this. Me and Axel are gonna have a look at the train.
How do the wheels work?
Those wheels, there's an engine in there that turns that right there, and then it turns this up here, and it turns these wheels right here.
Then it makes this go down.
This isn't real. This doesn't, see, it's not even touching the tracks. Isn't that neat? It's just for looks. It's just to look cool, like a real train. Those are the wheels that spin right there. Those and these right here. That cool? That's the steamer. It looks like it's the exhaust for a steam engine, but it's really a gas engine in the back.
I've had that Lego piece.
You've had a Lego piece like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty cool. You ready to go, bro?
I want to be on the side.
You want to be? Oh, Axel wants to be on the very side. You got to be careful, okay? Are you guys going on trains? He went on this train a long time ago. He doesn't remember it though. A bee. There's a bee following us.
We're done with the train ride.
No more train. Hey, no, you don't understand. We can't just jump off. Sorry, baby girl. Sorry. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh yes, darling. Whoa, yeah, baby girl. Sarah found something to make her happy.
More?
More.
She just keeps finding more, more, more. This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. But this little piggy went wee, all the way home.
Look what I found. Its leaves look just like carrots.
It does look like carrot leaves, and it's a taproot. You're a little forager, yes. We're gonna go play with the monster truck for a little bit, okay? Come over if you want to watch. So we piled up this massive deal of leaves right here, and Axel is gonna ride the monster truck. Are you ready, bro? You gonna crash it through the leaves? All right, hold on, wait. Dude, these leaves are awesome. All right, crash it again. Ready, go. All right, so now we got this giant pile of leaves on the picnic table, and Axel's gonna crash through them. You ready, bro? Hold on, wait. Yeah. Could you film real quick?
Yeah. That'll look sweet in slow-mo. What is it about men and cars? Or vehicles? River, you're gonna love cars too, huh? I didn't personally have a love of vehicles. My mom, she knows how to like fix things in cars, at least to some extent. I don't really care at all about it.
I think they're slightly interesting.
Well, yeah,
Practical reasons, but
for sure.
the only reason I'm really interested in it is because Axel is interested in it.
Right.
So.
She's doing so well with her walking skills. There you go, girl. Look at you just walking up a storm. Yeah, you see the dog, dog. She says dog. Whoop. Nice walking. More. Okay, see, more walking. Let's see if you can do more walking. Let's see it. She's like, ooh, people are walking by, spectators. There you go.
So we are at my mom's house now for the last Christmas. The Christmas 2017 came early. And this is my cousin Shauna. You guys saw a little picture of her earlier. Oh.
She just got so many expressions. She's a pleasure.
This is Randy, my mom's husband here. And something interesting about him is that he has the most intense eyes. What did you say?
That Santa Claus is not real.
You guys saw Dump Truck Claus.
I saw him.
See? Yeah, come on.
Bye.
My cousin here. Bye, Eric. It was really good to see you, man. Some of you guys might know Axel's Uncle James here. You're a lot taller than me.
Yeah, I got a couple inches on you.
A couple inches of beard too. I have a lot of brothers and sisters. This is one of the coolest ones though.
I feel so special.
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome. Unfortunately, Boone's not in it.
Yeah.
But it's such a good picture.
Where's Uncle Boone? Nothing.
Great. Yeah, I want to fill this up with pictures. It's just Christmas stuff.
Yeah, we thought you'd like that better than Legos. Almost all the boys.
At the jackpot, I got a lot of stuff in it.
Yes, so Axel got Christmas chinchilla.
And a highlighter, which I don't know how to work.
Highlighter, yeah.
There's another one and then some other pictures that I edited. Is Grandma sharing her orange with you, River?
Where y'all going to
How do you do that, Daddy?
More. You're both
Okay, put the lid on. Look, you got the lid.
Oh,
Took it
yeah.
from me real quick.
160 years ago.
Who's doing it?
Well, there goes your jingle bells.
Buckle up, everybody. I'm taking this thing for a ride. Woo-hoo!
Thank you guys so much for watching. We're done with all of our family affairs. The official late extended family Christmas is now over, and that means it's about time for us to be heading back to Washington soon. Back to the freezing cold. So give us a thumbs up, you guys. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed recently, and of course all of our subscribers that have been with us. We appreciate every one of you.
We promise we'll find more beached octopuses for you.
Yes. Come on, octopus, where are you? Oh,
River just River just turned on the
bye guys, we'll talk to you later.